Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix WWE 2K26 game not launching, crashing, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. The very first method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and finally click on it to begin the updating process. Once your Xbox is updated, launch it and then check if the game is launching or not. Next method is to check for WWE 2K26 update. So apart from console, you should ensure the game is also updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues to improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and after updating it, launch the game and check. Next is to clear Xbox cache. So deleting the cache of your Xbox can help to tackle the issue as it can occur due to temporary glitches. Follow the steps, press Xbox symbol or a controller. Now move down to profile and system. Here select settings, then click on system, then click on console info. After that select reset console and finally select reset and keep my games and apps option. So this will clear the Xbox cache and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to check storage. For that press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, click on settings, click on system and then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not or else delete some unused apps or games to create some space and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to clear persistent storage so this will help you to clear the cache data. For open settings, choose device and connections, click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Now after doing this, log into the game and check. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, then click on remove accounts. After that select the account to remove, then select remove option and after that add the account again and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to reinstall WWE 2K26 game. For that press Xbox button controller, move to my games and apps and select CL option. Here select WWE 2K26 game and press menu button then select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open WWE 2K26 official website and download the game and after that try to launch it and check. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do or else they'll try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game once again without any further issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.